Turning wood is a wonderfully relaxing and rewarding hobby. With just a few hours practice, you too can soon be making decorative and useful objects from a variety of beautiful timbers. All this though will need a little help from Record Power, world leaders in the production of wood-turning lathes and accessories. Based in Sheffield, the traditional home of quality toolmaking, Record Power is just one division of the vast Record Group, now wholly owned by the American tool company. It has justifiably built itself a world-class reputation for quality of manufacture and technical expertise. This spans over a century of technological and innovative design and is maintained today with rigorous quality assurance procedures at all stages of manufacture. In today's modern world of cheap and poorly made imports, Record Power is proud of its philosophy that quality will remain long after the price is forgotten. Such is this quality that they offer a comprehensive 5-year guarantee on all machinery and accessories. Castings for Record Power products are all produced in their state-of-the-art Dieselmatic foundry, using only the highest grade raw materials. A stock of precision-made pattern plates costing millions of pounds ensures a final quality second to none. Castings are finished using a deep powder paint process which ensures the stylish and hard-wearing surface so characteristic of the Record Power range. The components are machined and assembled using a combination of the latest manufacturing methods and traditional hand skills. An ultra-modern warehousing facility holds comprehensive stocks of both finished products and spare parts. Record Power products are available through a vast network of retailers both within the UK and in countries all over the world. So sit back and enjoy this guide through the Record Power range of wood-turning lathes and accessories. The DML24 is the ideal starter lathe. With a distance between centres of 24 inches, a bowl-turning capacity of 9 inches and 3 easily selectable speeds. This range is important as different sizes of workpiece need to be turned at different speeds. Large pieces are turned more slowly than small diameter work. Zinc-plated tubular bed bars support a substantial cast iron headstock with a centre height of 4.5 inches. Precision ground spindle runs in 2 shielded ball races driven by the powerful 275-watt induction motor. This, coupled to the machined and balanced grey iron pulleys, ensures quiet and vibration-free running. Keeping with all the lathes in the Record range, the main shaft has a universal 3/4 inch spindle nose with 16 threads per inch. It's machined to a #1 Morse taper so that any accessories will fit if you decide to upgrade to a bigger machine at a later date. The heavy-duty tailstock has a hollow barrel and is also bored to #1 Morse taper to match the headstock. The machine is fitted with a 10-inch tool rest supported in a substantial holder with a ratchet handle for quick and easy adjustment. The DML24 can either be mounted on your own bench or on the optional leg stand. The wide angle of the very strong tubular legs gives maximum support and rigidity. The set consists of the 4 tapered steel legs complete with clamps. The DML24 is also available as a complete starter pack, the DML24SK. This includes the lathe, 3 turning tools, some timber blanks, an instructional video and a small wood screw chuck. In fact, everything you need to get started in this fascinating hobby. A recent addition is the DML36SH. This is the same specification as the standard DML24, but with increased bed length of 36 inches between centres and a swinging headstock. This feature now allows you to turn up to 12 inches in diameter using the optional bowl-turning rest with the lathe mounted on a wooden bench. DML300 is a compact lathe but with a large capacity. It easily handles a maximum of 12 inches between centres and a bowl up to 9 inches diameter over the lathe bed. In addition, you can swing the head, add the optional CLB bowl-turning rest, then this little lathe can turn a blank up to a mighty 14 inches diameter. The exceptional weight of the cast iron bed allows the lathe to take workpieces like this that would normally require a much bigger machine. The headstock construction and drive incorporates all the features of the DML24. The tailstock and tool rest assemblies are equally robust, a cast iron 5-inch tool rest being fitted as standard. No other lathe of this size can match the performance and quality of the RPML 300. The The CL1 is a top-of-the-range hobby model with a full 36 inches between centres. It features a rotating headstock to allow bowl turning up to 15 inches in diameter, although this requires the use of the optional CL3B bowl turning attachment. Like the DML, the number 1 headstock is based around 2 heavy-duty sealed-for-life ball races and uses the very successful Poly-V drive to give smooth and trouble-free running. The motor is a generous 1/3 horsepower and speed changing couldn't be simpler. Just release the hinged motor mount, slide the belt along and relock the platform. All lathes in the record range have integral overload and no-volt release protection built into the motor and feature an easily accessible on-off switch for complete safety. Centre height on this model is 6 inches and the ability to swing the head just a few degrees off the centre line allows larger faceplate work to be turned without the tools fouling on the bed bars. The accurately machined swivel plate that supports the headstock allows quick and easy realignment of the head for between centres work. Moving the whole head unit along the bed allows greater access. The substantial hollow tailstock now has a large external handwheel to facilitate a barrel travel of 3 inches. The tool rest holder is designed for easy movement and adjustment and has been shaped to give better access to faceplate work. The bed bars are solid with a hard-wearing chrome finish, which in addition to providing an excellent sliding surface, also prevents corrosion. Strong locking levers on the headstock, tailstock and tool rest slide ensure rock-solid stability. Ratchet handles everywhere else allow adjustments without the need for tools. CL5 has been designed for the woodturner with restricted workshop space and incorporates all the features of the number 1, but with a bed length of 12 inches between centres. The CL2 lathe has the more serious user in mind. It allows 36 inches between centres and an 18-inch bowl turning capacity using the optional CL3B attachment. Capacity over the bed is 12 inches. The heavy rotating headstock features Record's unique tapered bronze bearing that produces superb rigidity for big bowl turning. This bearing is easily adjusted to take up any wear and therefore minimises potential vibration problems with large workpieces. This machine has 3 speeds and incorporates a quick change hinged motor mount for easy selection. The motor is the well-proven 370-watt totally enclosed fan-cooled unit. Here again, the bed consists of solid chromed bars. All the other parts are of heavy cast construction, so characteristic of the Record range. The flagship CL336 lathe has been designed for the professional woodturner. It incorporates the same substantial features as the number 2, but now uses a heavier duty and more powerful 550-watt motor coupled to a 5-speed pulley assembly. A wider Poly-V belt ensures maximum power transmission. This allows bowl turning up to a massive 30 inches using the optional bowl rest attachment and easily handles spindle work up to 36 inches long. CL348 has the same specification as the CL336, but with an increased bed length to accept 48 inches between centres. It's fitted with an extra tool rest holder and double-stemmed tool rest to accommodate these longer workpieces. A universal bench, the RPLB 2448, is available to take all the CL series lathes except the number 5. Supplied flat-packed, it's quickly assembled into a sturdy and attractive stand. Made from heavy-duty steel sections with angled legs, it provides rigid and vibration-free use. A positive asset to the serious woodturner. To complement these superb lathes, Record Power also produce a vast array of quality wood-turning accessories to even further enhance your skills and ability. Record has over 100 years' experience of making hand tools for woodcraftsmen. This is reflected in the quality and range of their professional turning tools. A total of 30 gouges, chisels and scrapers in all the popular shapes and sizes is available individually or in sets. They are forged and then precision ground from the finest quality high-speed steel and are fitted with attractive hardwood handles. Looking at the range in more detail, there are two U-shaped roughing gouges. These are designed to rapidly reduce square timber to a cylinder. The 3/4 inch version covers most work, but a 1 1/4 inch is available for large diameter spindles. Further shaping is carried out with the spindle gouges. 3 sizes are available to cover all the requirements of even the most serious wood turner. Each tool is manufactured from round section steel and then individually hand ground to achieve the ideal cutting profile. For smooth planing of convex and cylindrical surfaces, 4 skew chisels are available, varying in width from 1/2 inch to 1 1/4 inch. More recent innovation has been the introduction of the oval skew, which many beginners find easier to handle than the conventional shape. The gently curving oval section helps it to slide smoothly and easily along the tool rest. Produced in 3 sizes, 3/4 inch, 1 inch and 1 1/4 inch, this tool is fast gaining popularity. Another variation on the skew chisel is the square end version. This performs the same functions as the skew, but is preferred by many traditionalists. It's available in the 2 most popular sizes, 1 inch and 3/4 inch. For turning beads or cutting off the work, there are 2 sizes of parting tool. Shaped for true and accurate cutting, the 1/8 inch version is the traditional parting tool, 3/8 inch being reserved for heavier cuts or beads. 2 sizes of bowl gouge cover all situations, the 1/4 inch and a substantial 1/2 inch. They're ground from round solid section high-speed steel bar and fitted with extra long handles to allow maximum control even during heavy cuts. This rigidity being particularly necessary if there's a lot of overhang from the tool rest. One tool unique to record power is the disc chisel, ideal for cleaning up the inside of bowls. Faceplate tools, 3 standard duty round-nosed scrapers are available, ranging from 1/2 inch to 1 inch in width. For turning really large section material, a range of 7 heavy-duty scrapers has been produced with this type of work in mind. Again, forged from solid high-speed steel bar, all the scrapers have a generous cross-section. 1 1/2 inch wide by 3/8 inch deep provides massive rigidity, which is further enhanced by the extra long handles. For those who prefer the choice to be made for them, 7 carefully selected tool collections have been put together, each housed in an attractive presentation box. The 2 starter spindle collections, RPCHS3 and RPCHS3A, are the entry-level sets, each comprising of 3 essential spindle turning tools. These 2 sets have been combined into one as the 6-piece professional spindle collection, RPCHS6. For bowl turners, the 5-piece master bowl and scraper selection, RPCHS5, provides everything you need to get going. All these tools have the extra long handle. There are 2 sets at the top of the range. The 7-piece RPCHS7 master spindle and bowl selection, which again has long handles, and the RPCHS8 8-piece professional spindle and bowl set. For beginners, the 6-piece DML-A1 set, manufactured by Record from carbon steel with polished ash handles, provides a basic range of quality tools at an easily affordable price. To help keep the cutting edge of the tools in perfect condition, 3 grinders are available. The 6-inch SM155 and the 8-inch SM200 are high-quality industrial standard grinders with powerful super smooth motors. 1-inch wide wheels simplify the sharpening process, the white stone being ideal for high-speed steel tools and the grey one for general purpose grinding. Probably some of the quietest machines in their class, these grinders have fully adjustable spark shields for maximum safety. Strong adjustable tool rests provide the best possible sharpening position. For those who prefer wet grinding, the Scan 150 is the ultimate sharpener and deburrer for all edge tools. The slow-running stone revolves in a bath of water, minimizing the danger of overheating the tool edge. The heavy-duty tool rest gives excellent support and access to the stone. As you'd expect, Record have produced an extensive range of wood-turning accessories to help hold and finish the work. Second to none, genuine Record power accessories are guaranteed to be a perfect match on both headstock thread and Morse taper spindles. Cheaper, poorly made accessories result in premature wear of the bearings and spindle. Confidence, therefore, comes as standard when you buy any genuine Record lathe accessory. The CWA 61 2.5-inch wood screw chuck has proved to be the most popular. Consisting of 7 precision machined components, the chuck incorporates a unique non-slip screw mechanism. This guarantees realignment of the timber if it has to be removed and replaced. Using a standard number 14 wood screw, this chuck is cheap to maintain and with 2 additional screws can hold work from 3 inches to 18 inches in diameter. For smaller scale work, the single screw CWA 62 will hold turnings up to 3 inches in diameter. The face of all Record screw chucks is inwardly tapered to provide really positive seating, essential for this type of work. The CWA 70 4-inch faceplate is a very solid grey iron casting. Machined to a face tolerance of 1/1000th of an inch, it should be used on work up to a maximum of 12 inches in diameter. 8 countersunk location holes are geometrically located to ensure optimum holding positions using standard wood screws. CWA 71 6-inch faceplate should be used on work larger than 12 inches in diameter. For between centres work, a range of Record power drive centres is available, all of which have been machined from a single piece of high-grade carbon steel to match the exact tolerances of the internal Morse taper. The standard CWA 80 7/8-inch 4-prong drive centre is designed for heavier work, but will accommodate diameters down to 1 inch. For smaller jobs or for out-of-balance work, the 5/8-inch 2-pronged CWA 81 centre should be used. This allows greater penetration into the timber. All headstock centres are fitted through the CWA 170 thread protector that screws onto the spindle nose. This has a dual function, allowing easy removal of the centre after use, as well as protecting the accuracy of the spindle thread. For the tailstock, there's a choice of centres, all with the precision Morse taper so vital for accurate working. The CWA 90 ring centre is supplied as standard on all lathes and provides exact alignment. The timber rotates on both point and ring sections. The addition of a little wax in the groove provides enough lubrication to virtually eliminate scoring and burning the work. The CWA 91 back centre is the traditional one for between centres work. The 90-degree angled nose provides a secure seating without penetrating too far into the workpiece. The CWA 92 cup centre is bored to accept a 5/16 of an inch shell auger and operates in the same way as the CWA 90. If you're doing a lot of spindle turning, a revolving centre is a must. The CWA 93 has 2 sealed ball races and is precision ground to give smooth and true rotation. This is for use on timber only. The heavy-duty CWA 100 revolving centre has been specifically designed for large, heavy workpieces, the substantial bearings resisting both sideways and lateral thrust. The hardened nose means this centre can be used on either timber or metal. For simple and accurate long-hole boring of lamps, the dedicated CWA 131 kit provides everything you need. Of a CWA 92 hollow centre, a counter-boring tool for use when you reverse the work, and the 5/16-inch auger. This kit can also be used on any other lathe with a hollow tailstock and number 1 Morse taper. The auger is available on its own as CWA 111 should you ever need to replace it. However, this particular auger is supplied unhandled to allow you to fit your own. All your drilling requirements on the lathe are catered for with the CWA 140 geared drill chuck. 1/2-inch capacity, this precision chuck requires the CWA 160 Morse taper arbor for use in either the tailstock or headstock of the lathe. Comes complete with a quick action key, closing down to 0 if you need to hold really fine drills. Substantial drilling, the 3/4-inch capacity CWA 150 is available, but this only closes to 3/16 of an inch. It will either fit onto the Morse taper adapter CWA 161 or will screw directly onto the spindle nose for added security. These chucks will take any type of bit with a suitable shank, but the WR20/2 expansive bit will drill from 7/8 of an inch up to 2 inches. The WR20/3 produces holes up to a massive 3.5 inches. For accurate measuring and setting out, Record have a range of quality calipers and dividers in 3 different sizes. These include standard dividers, CWA D series, the more accurate spring version, designated CWA DS, the most useful outside calipers, CWA OCs, and finally the very handy inside calipers, CWA IC. We've already seen the CL3B bowl turning attachment in action, coming complete with the tubular bowl rest CWA 180. This fits in the standard tool holder supplied with the original lathe. It allows far better tool support both inside and outside the bowl. All Record lathes come complete with a tool rest, but other sizes are available as extras. The 10-inch CLOK is for general turning. The CLOJ is a 5-inch version for small between-center work. The CLOH 17-inch double-stemmed rest is a great help when turning long pieces. This requires the addition of another tool rest holder. As your skills progress, you'll find the need for a variety of different ways to hold the work. Careful research and consultation with expert woodturners has led to the development of the Record Power chucking system, and the RP3000X is now recognized as one of the best multi-chucking systems available. The basic set comprises of the main body with a Tommy bar and C-spanner. You then fit a variety of different holding jaws into this depending on the type of work. For expansion gripping, the set has the RP3000J jaws, which will hold bowls up to the capacity of your lathe. Compression gripping is covered by the G jaws, which grip on a 3-inch dovetail or a 1-inch parallel. 2 sizes of screw chuck also fit in the body, the 1 3/4-inch B and the 2 7/8 inch C. For board work, a 1-inch pin chuck is supplied, the 3000M, this having the added facility of a conical center for holding small squares. Last item in the set is the 3000K faceplate ring, which allows easy removal and accurate refitting of workpieces. To increase the versatility even more, a further range of jaws is available individually, which can be added as the need arises. There are 3 further sets of compression jaws, ranging from the 5/8 of an inch dovetail D through the 1 1/4-inch E to the 2-inch F set. For smaller bowls, there are the 1-inch expanding jaws set H and 1 3/4-inch expanding I for medium-sized work. Versatile pin chucks are produced in 5/8 of an inch type L, 3/4 of an inch type M, and the 1 3/8 inch O type. This chucking system will cover virtually all your holding requirements, no matter what your style of wood turning. To give your work the ultimate finish, the renowned Speed and Ease friction polish is available in 2 colors. CWA 190 white for light timbers and CWA 191 for darker ones. A light coat as the lathe revolves quickly brings out the natural beauty of the timber and imparts a rich shine. To further enhance and deepen this shine, use a stick of carnauba wax CWA 200 to produce a super high gloss finish. If you're struggling with a particular turning problem or are looking for ideas, a range of videos should provide the necessary inspiration. RP-Vid 1 shows all the basic skills in an 80-minute tape. RP-Vid 3 is a 2.5-hour tape showing detailed techniques for turning a variety of basic projects. RP-Vid 4 gives you an hour and a half of miniature turning, covering tool techniques and work holding, providing a fascinating insight into a different branch of wood turning. RP-Vid 5 is a 1-hour guide to spindle turning with Alan Holtham, taking you through all the basic techniques, tool sharpening and timber selection. To further help you on your way, 4 project packs have been produced. These consist of an instructional video showing you how to make the particular project, along with all the necessary materials and full written instructions. PPL is a beautiful table lamp. PPC is a wall clock. PPB is a very useful cheese board and knife, and PPE is a charming egg cup set. If you've just bought your lathe and are wondering what to buy next, the RP5000 accessory set could be the answer. Consisting of a 4-inch faceplate, a revolving center, a 1.5-inch screw chuck, a bottle of polish, and the RP-Vid 5 video, it contains everything you need to get started in a single presentation box. Wood turning is a very safe and enjoyable hobby, but it makes sense to protect yourself from the worst of the dust and shavings. 2 sizes of turning smock protect your clothes, RPGSL and RPGSXL, and help prevent too many shavings being carried out of the workshop. They also serve a more important purpose, having elasticated cuffs to restrain any bits of loose clothing which could get caught up in the machine. Respiratory protection is provided by the superb turbo visors, which are designed to give the user a high level of protection against materials which could damage eyes and lungs. A tiny battery-powered electric motor draws air into the visor through 2 filters, providing the user with a constant supply of clean air. The RPTV20 has a nominal protection factor of 20 and is for use in light, localized contamination, such as that produced by the occasional hobby turner. For environments where the contamination is more severe, the RPTV100 gives a protection factor of 100. A full selection of replacement filters and visor covers is available to maintain the efficiency of the helmet. If you're not using a visor like this, we'd always recommend that you wear some other form of eye protection. Record lathes require very little maintenance and are all offered with a 5-year guarantee. The bronze bearing of the number 2 and number 3 needs regular but light lubrication, and we recommend the use of a specially formulated oil, which is available in 2 sizes. So, that's the Record Power range of wood-turning machines and fittings, a range so comprehensive that it can grow and evolve with you as your own skill develops. If you need any further help, a fully equipped training center has been established at the factory. This unique facility allows potential purchasers to see and use anything from the Record range, but please make an appointment first. You can then buy with confidence from your nearest dealer. We're sure that you too will soon be the proud owner of a quality product from Record Power. Record Power. Quality beyond comparison.